Hi friends, this is the product which is AgriBro, which I am ordering through industrialbuy.com. They are sending very good package and also mentioning the details 2300 RU, 2300 watt and 2800 RPM on 0.58 liter and 0.256 lubricant, chain lubricant and 22-inch and 58-inch. You see, soon they are mentioning that air guard and piston, sunglass, glove and also various things which they are providing inside.